Hello, world travelers. Welcome back to Australia. Today we're going to keep working on our story all about koalas, our informational book. And we're going to learn about koalas and what they look like today, their appearance. Their appearance kind of means what they look like, what characteristics they have. So take a look at this koala. What do you notice about their appearance? Maybe you could pause the video and go tell someone. What do you notice about koalas? And then we'll keep reading. Okay, koalas are what's known as marsupials. Marsupial means that they just have a pouch. So like a koala has a pouch, a kangaroo has a pouch. There's lots of animals in Australia that have pouches. They have a pouch, it's called a marsupial. They have gray fur and black noses. Very cool. Koalas use sharp claws to climb the trees. That would be kind of fun to climb the trees with sharp claws. Koalas are brown or gray, and they have white fur on their chest, their ears, and their arms. You look underneath this koala, do you see the white fur on the chest, the arms, and up by his ears? They're so cute. A thick, fuzzy coat keeps koalas warm or cool on warm days and warm on chilly days. What happens if it rains, though? Guess what? Not a problem for koalas. Their fur, their coat, is waterproof, so they don't get wet. The fur on a koala's rounded bottom grows extra thick. So even on hard seats, it feels oh so comfy. It'd be really cool to have extra soft fur. Okay, so here's a koala. Remember, nonfiction book always has labels. So this picture, they labeled the different parts. So we have the nose, and then arrow pointing to the koala's nose. We have the leg, and then it's pointing to the koala's leg. And claws. See the sharp claws? Awesome. And koalas have a pouch. There's the koala's pouch. And mouth and arm. Okay. What else do you notice about koala's appearance? Did you know that a koala is about 30 inches long from its nose to its bottom? If you want to know how big is 30 inches, in your school supplies, you got this number line. This is 31 inches. So if I take off about finger width, this is 30 inches. So you can look and see that's kind of how long a koala is from its nose to its bottom. Or maybe it's about the size of mom or dad's arm is about 30 inches. That's pretty cool. And it weighs between 11 to 26 pounds. That's pretty cool too. Awesome. Okay, friends. So let's take a look at our word web. Remember, we call it a word web because we write words on it and it looks kind of like a spider web. Awesome. So today we have, let's bring our camera over. We'll switch cameras. We're going to work on our word web together. And then I'm going to have you work on your sentences today. So make sure you have your word web. Make sure it's the right one. It says koala appearances. Let's try to remember, what are some things that the koala has? I remember that a koala is about 30 inches. I'm going to write that down on mine. 30 inches. And it's okay if you don't spell things right on here. This is just a draft to help organize your thoughts. So 30 inches. Today, I'm going to have you think of what are two other things. Now we talked about the claws, or their pouch, or what color they are, or how much they weigh. And you can go back in the video and watch again. Okay, then we're going to get our book. And we're going to go to the next page. We have all about koalas. We need to remember to fill in our table of contents on what page we're on. So what do I look like? That's the heading. So let's write the heading on. What do I look like? This is one we did yesterday. Okay, so our heading goes on top. What do I look like? Okay, so go ahead and write your heading. Let's see, what page number is this? Page 4. So we're going to go to our table of contents. Remember, we got to keep this updated. It is page 4. Go ahead and write down, what do I look like? Page 4. Then if you want to go back, you'll know exactly where to find this page. And then we're going to take our 3 things that you made on your word web and you're going to make it into a sentence. We're going to start. Koalas are 30 inches long. Koalas, oh, gotta make sure my K is touching. Koalas are about 30 inches long. And I always end with a period. Okay, so go ahead. If you want to use this sentence, or if you have a better sentence, you can use your sentence. And I want you to think about, what else did you write? And can you make it into a sentence? So maybe you wrote claws, or white fur, or pouches, or waterproof. Those are all different appearances. Black nose, and write about it. And then up here, you're going to draw a picture of a koala. But I have a video to show you how to draw a koala, because it's kind of hard. So keep going in the travel activity slides, and it will show you a video, and that will walk you through on how to draw your koala. Okay, so let's see what else. So you're going to go watch the video, this video. You're going to make your word web. You're going to write your sentences, and then go to the video, and that will show you how to draw your koala. And then we have a Bitmoji classroom with lots of things about Australia. So take a look at that. You can read a story about Australia. There's some videos about Australia. Okay, so make sure you click on the little airplane, and then you'll fly to Australia and go see it. Oh, Alexa's talking to me. Okay, first graders, you did fabulous today. Have fun learning about what koalas look like. And I'll see you in our next video, okay? Have fun. Goodbye.